Welcome to Daily Buzz News. Our lead story today. Firefighters brought a major residential blaze under control in the community in Hart Bay after flames tore through dozens of structures over the weekend. The fire broke out on Saturday evening in the upper areas of the Don City section of the informal settlement, triggering a large-scale emergency response from the City of Cape Town's Fire and Rescue Service. According to the Ward Councillor Roberta Quintus, the city deployed 13 fire engines and around 60 firefighters to battle the blaze as it spread rapidly through the densely populated area. Emergency crews worked for several hours under difficult conditions to contain the flames and prevent the fire from spreading further through the closely built-up homes, narrow access routes inside the settlement. Preliminary estimates suggest that approximately 80 structures were affected by the fire. Authorities confirmed that there had been no reports of injuries. Fire services remained on the scene late into the night and into the early hours of the morning, continuing to monitor the area and extinguish remaining hotspots to prevent flare-ups. The city's disaster risk management teams are expected to conduct a full assessment of the damage to determine the impact of the affected households. Municipal departments, together with humanitarian organizations and the South African Social Security Agent, are expected to provide emergency assistance and relief support for the displaced family. The latest fire follows another destructive blaze in the same area just weeks earlier, which left several families without homes and forced emergency service to mobilize aid. Relief organizations, including the Gift of the Givers, previously stepped in to provide essential support such as food, blankets, hygiene packs, and temporary shelter for vulnerable residents. Thanks for watching.